gingerbread snack cake. I wanted to do a bark because I think bark is so simple.
I love bark, yeah.
You know, so we have some white chocolate. It is over a double boiler. You do not want this to boil, and then we melt it like this. We're going to just put it right here.
Right, you don't want it to touch the boiling water.
Exactly, because you don't want that to get all seized and everything. So we do that. Thanks for, oh, I forgot to put the salt in there. Okay, salt. Okay, salt.
Whatever, it's still there.
It's still here, girls. So good. Okay, salt and sweet. So we're going to just literally spread this out to like a 1/4 inch thick. I have toasted hazelnuts, and then
I love hazelnuts.
Right, I love hazelnuts. And you also toast these and then rub them in a towel to get the skins off.
Yeah.
And then I have some dried cranberries.
Yummy.
And then here, this is crystallized ginger. So this goes into the fridge for like 20 to 30 minutes, pop it out, and then you'll see what we're gonna do with that later. Easy, easy, easy. All right, now to do the cake. So I have my all-purpose flour here.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna add in the salt, unlike last time. I'm gonna add in the baking soda. I've got ginger, of course, cinnamon,
Yum.
cloves.
Yum.
And then we're gonna mix all that up. And what I love about whenever you're baking and you have these dark spices, just keep whisking until it looks all homogenized.
Right.
You don't need any streaks.
Right.
Right? And
That's
then,
a great tip, actually.
right, because you can actually see if it's mixed up. All right, so we have, and then I put in there the candied ginger. Here I have hot water, and then I have some molasses. You wanna just pour that in for me? In here.
In here.
So we're gonna mix that in with the hot water. And when you think about it, I'm using butter as well, but when you use the hot water
But you thin
and
it
the
out a little
molasses,
bit?
exactly.
Yes.
You thin it out, it creates a very moist cake. So in here is the butter and the brown sugar.
Butter and brown sugar, okay.
We cream that.
Right.
We're gonna add in an egg. And then we're gonna add in some vanilla extract.
A little bit of vanilla.
Yep.
Gotcha.
So all that's gonna come together, and then we're gonna alternate dry with this wet mixture.
Gotcha. All in this doodad.
Yep. So I'm gonna put in the dry, and then you'll put in
Little bit of the dry.
Yeah. You'll let your egg mix all in. So I'm going in here. Boom, boom.
A little bit of this.
A little bit of that. It comes
I
together so
love
great.
that. It's such a great tip.
You know, and also, this is a great snack cake. It comes together really quickly.
But that's such an amazing tip.
All right, so that's gonna mix up. We're gonna mix all that up together. And then we have a 9x9.
Little square bake pan.
Yep, already with the butter already in there. Boom, boom.
So are we coming down here now?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so we don't have to do that. Okay. Yes, yes.
Well, because it's here.
It's there, it's there.
It's here.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. Okay, let's make some frosting. Cream cheese. We have butter in here.
That's so good, I could cry.
Dude, okay, you know what I love that goes with ginger? Lemon.
Oh, nice. You gonna do some lemon juice and lemon zest?
And some lemon zest in here. Boom,
Heck
boom, boom.
to the yes.
But
boom, boom.
it's my favorite. All right.
Boomity boom.
Boomity boom boom. So now we have our frosting. We have our beautiful cake. It's just super, super simple. You're gonna put this frosting on top. And then if you want to, you can do the sides if you want, but honestly, I like the sides naked, and you just sort of put this on. And this can hold 5 days, up to 5 days, wrapped in the fridge if you want. Yeah, it is super great. Boom, boom, boom.
Gorgeous.
I know.
Just gorgeous.
Super, super simple. Okay.
And it smells so great in here. It smells so cozy and yummy.
Are you a corner piece or what?
I'm a corner.
Okay.
Oh, I'm a corner.
I'm an inside. You're a corner.
I'm a corner.
Okay, there. Well, hold on.
I'm a
gonna
corner.
do that one.
All right.
And then I'm going to do one for me.
Uh-huh.
And then all you need to do here is break this up.
Shut the door.
Boom.
Boom!
What? And if you want to do it flat, you can, but you can just single pieces. I just love it. I love it. Like just boom, boom, boom.